Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable all sounds on your Samsung Galaxy phone, so basically silent mode. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear button, and then you want to go down and select where it says sound and vibration. And at the top here, there's a medium volume here. So this is like the master sound vibration. This is a master sound here, basically. So if you go all the way to the left, you'll see a little line going through the musical note, meaning that the sound is disabled. If you want to turn it further up to the right, it'll be louder. So pretty straightforward process, guys. This is pretty much the primary setting you want to look at here. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.